Okay, so in this video we are going to actually understand how we can actually use whatever we have learned about the batch data and data flow pipeline, and how we can actually implement and create a data flow pipeline using the different functions, by creating functions and by using dataset or the CSV files. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to create three files: the .js file, .json file, and the CSV file, right? The JavaScript file, the JS file, we have created a transform function, naming it like we have named it as transform, and what it is doing, nothing. This function is just taking the data and just splitting it through the uh, comma and just storing it in the object, right? After that, we are actually creating a JSON file where we are actually defining the schema, order number, item number, and the data type of it, which whatever the object we have created here. Then we are using a CSV file or the dataset file. Just we can use any dataset, right? Just any type of data we can use it here. You can even use and data from Kaggle, the large data, which actually doesn't change with time, which is actually not our streaming data. We are actually going to use a batch data. I have created a CSV file just for the reference or the example. After this, we are just going for the Google Cloud Console, and we are going to write cloud storage. After this, we are going to open this, and just after this, this screen will be shown. Just go to create, and after creating, just name it as, for example, exp. I am naming it as just, okay, so exp12. We are going to continue, we'll continue, and just create, right? After this, a cloud bucket or storage bucket will be created, and the name of that bucket will be exp12, which I have written in front of you, right? After this, we just need to go to big query. Go to this big query, click this, and in the new tab, we are going to actually in here where the name of the project on which you are working will be shown. Here you just need to click on the three dot icon, create dataset, and write the name of the dataset, which whatever you want to, and just create data. Click on the create dataset button. Okay, so what I have done here is I have already created a dataset, naming it as MDM. Uh, After this, you just need to create again and create table. Name anything, whatever, any name, whatever you want to. In my case, I have created a table, naming it as my table 2, right? You can name it as whatever you want to. In my case, I have created my table 2. After this, we just need to go for data flow jobs, right? Just click on it. Okay, so okay, let's 1 minute, we'll open this in a new tab. Yeah, so just go on the jobs, go for the create job from template, and name whatever you want to, like new job 222. Just go here, and under the section of process data in bulk batch, we are going to select text files on cloud to BigQuery. You can see here template or a pipeline will be created. Now what the main task come here is to fill the parameters. Please be careful on uh, like filling up the parameters. Here it is asking for the JavaScript file. Just go to the bucket, and the first work which you need to do is just click on the bucket which you have created, go to the upload files, and whatever the files you have created at the initial step of the video, like the CSV file and the demo JSON file and the JS file, just open it and upload it here. You can see here demo1.js data.csv demo.json, and it will get uploaded here, right? After that, we need to fill these parameters. We'll go to the JS file and just copy the URI and paste it here. After that, we need the JSON file. Just go here and click here and paste it here and remove this JS. This is the function which you want to call from the JS file, and in our case the name of the function is transform. So just click write transform. Now we need the output table. So the table which we have created in the MDM section, MDM dataset, we just need to click on it and copy ID. Just paste it here. After that, we need the input file. Okay, so you just need to also replace the first off with the columns, right? After that, we just need to fill the input data or the dataset value, right? A dataset path. Just go here, data.csv, copy it and just paste it here, right? After all this, we need to temporary BigQuery directory. We have these two locations and directory which we need to fill. So here you just need to go here and you just go to the buckets. Yeah, so you just need to go to the bucket and click here and copy this exp12 and write it here and write it here, and after that just write temp1 and write temp2, right? After this we need to fill the max workers and the number of workers and just run the job. After clicking on the run job, it will take some time and you can see the job status here. It's actually starting. Okay, so the job status is now running. It has the job is now been run. You can see the in the initial read from source running. It is having two stages, then one stage, then one stage, and then 19 stages of BigQuery running, right? So it will take some time for which you actually need to like wait. After some time, okay, so let it get run. Okay, so it's actually taking some time for which you need to actually wait. I have already created a job which was successfully run. You can see it here. After the complete execution, you can see this will be shown on your screen. And for the complete verification, you just go to the my table part. For this sample or data flow job, I have created my table, and for the one which is actually in the running status and which will take some time to get completed, the output will be stored in my table too. But you can take the reference as I have already run the pipeline or the data flow job, and after completing it will be shown like this with the green ticks, and the output will be like order number, item number, purchase quantity, and will be actually present in the table, and the values which the your data set would be having will be stored in the BigQuery table. I hope this is cleared and you would have learned about how we can actually create data flow job for the batch data, and how we can run through using jobs and BigQuery, right?